Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transform a regular photo into a Ghibli-style image using ChatGPT. Fast, easy, and for free. Let's get started. First, go to the official ChatGPT website. We will leave the link in the video description or pinned comment. Once you're there, open a new chat by clicking the pencil icon. Now, upload the photo you want to transform by clicking the plus icon and selecting Upload from Computer. I'm going to select this image of Taylor Swift. After it finishes uploading, type the following prompt. Transform this image into Studio Ghibli style. Wait a few seconds, and you will see the result appear. Here's the final output. And as you can see, it gives your image that dreamy, animated Ghibli look in just seconds. And that's it. Now you know how to turn any of your photos into a magical Ghibli-style illustration using ChatGPT. No software, no extra tools, just one simple prompt.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.